I am so excited to finally share this with you. We're gonna discover so many new worlds together.
Honey, did you do it without me?
And this is Sia, my younger sister, and she calls me Honey.
Hi, I'm Sia. I'm 6 years old, and I want to be a builder.
Okay, Sia, today we're discovering something amazing. Did you ever wonder why the sky is so blue? The sky is blue because sunlight mixes all the colors of the rainbow together. But the bouncy blue color bumps into the air and splashes all over the place. Imagine the sky as a giant playground. The sun and the air play tag. Sunlight is a hidden rainbow. It bounces off tiny air particles. That scattering makes the sky blue. That's all for today, everyone. Make sure to find and follow me for more discoveries, and I'll see you in our next episode very soon. Bye!